Stop it.
What?
Posing.
Yeah, I'm showing off the shirt. See?
No. Well, then I should be the one who's Vanna Whiting it.
Got a new shirt. Looking
Boom.
good. Yeah.
Strike a pose.
Nailed it. Welcome to another episode of Tall Oaks Life.
Yeah, we got shirts.
Yeah, we got shirts. If it wasn't obvious. Henry thinks that's funny.
Cue the audience. Laugh.
Oh,
In the laugh box.
we should make
We're
one.
gonna make Henry go, huh?
We've probably seen.
Huh?
He's not a command kind of child.
No, he takes after me. He does the opposite of what you say.
Yeah. Anyway, we should probably talk about what we're in here for today.
All right, well, here's our next quarantine craft.
Yeah, quarantine crafts.
The next edition of Quarantine Craft, we are seed starting.
Yeah. Yeah. It's playing.
I know, but you weren't over here.
Oh. I love you. Hi. Okay. Go ahead. Shoot, honey. This is your project, your thing. You do it. Yeah, thank you, Henry.
Yeah, so since this is a quarantine craft, I was trying to do it with just stuff you collect around the house. Like some egg cartons, toilet paper rolls,
Those things are hard to come by these days.
as well as paper towel rolls.
Oh yeah. And you got the cup holder from the
I've also been collecting some cup holders.
yeah. That's good for
All of
seed
it.
starting.
Fast food takeout. Henry.
Anyway.
Anywho.
Anyway.
So, in order to make one of these little seed starting pods,
I'm gonna go into a close-up.
you just take one of your toilet paper rolls and cut it in half. Then with each of these halves, cut about a third of the way up. Four times. So that you can take it and fold it in like a box. Stuck it in like a box there. And you're done.
That is pretty easy.
So from there, you just go right into your soil. Scoop some up. Put some seeds in. I'm gonna bury them with my scissors here.
Burying some seeds.
Bam. Yeah. Yours in your dreams.
My baby girl.
Something is too extreme.
This is still recording. Gotta show
Here we
off
go.
your t-shirt.
Here we go. Here we
Gotta show off your
go.
t-shirt. Don't show off your belly though.
Show off the belly. You mentioned it.
He's gonna show off his belly.
Got me belly.
Look at the camera, Henry. Look at that.
All right, so this is the seeds for our victory garden.
Victory.
victory over COVID-19.
Yeah. See, Henry's pointing off into the future. That's where we're headed.
And now we just wanted to give a shout out to my friend Kory.
Who made our beautiful t-shirts.
Our family t-shirts.
Yeah, you got a little sweet. So adorable. They're so cutest. Aw.
Well, so Kory made our family our t-shirts, and so check her out. She has an Etsy shop and a Facebook page at PS Vinyl by Kory. And if you're interested in a shirt, she'd probably be willing to make one for you. And yes, like and subscribe. Subscribe.
We need as many subscribers as we can get.
Subscribe. Really good. Use them.
Henry, say subscribe. Say subscribe. That's him saying subscribe.